Hey there, I've got a home security system that I would like to show you today. It's made by Anran company, and we've got a whole lot of stuff here, so let's break it down and talk about what each piece is. So first of all, we've got the main unit, this NVR, the network video recorder, and this acts basically as a computer, and you can set it up on a local system. So it's got two antennas here. And on the back, we've got plugs, an HDMI, and a VGA port to set up a monitor to go with it. And that's how you're going to be viewing your video footage from the cameras. It's also got an Ethernet port, some USB ports, and a power adapter. So it comes with the power adapter, it comes with a mouse, a nice mouse pad here, as well as an Ethernet cable. So it comes with everything you need right here. So this is the main unit, and this is where the videos are going to be stored. So how do we get the videos? Well, we've got these four HD cameras here. They're weatherproofed, so you can set them up outside. And they've got a power adapter here, power port, and then a reset button as well. So yes, it comes with four of those cameras, as well as some screws and Allen wrenches to mount these wherever you may need to. So each of those comes with its own power adapter, as well as an antenna. So you just plug that in here, and you can set it up for wireless use. So this is a great way to keep track of everything that's going to be going on in your house and around your property, and you can keep it all in one place with this. So it does come with this instruction manual, which you'll need to set everything up. It's got detailed picture instructions to make sure you know exactly how to use this device. So it's going to come in handy for keeping you and your family safe, and I can say that I highly recommend this product.